Ahoy! We're back out in the RC area. Today we're doing shocks. Now I've already done some pre-assembly, sliding O-rings on and such. And I'll post some pictures of what we did. I also got a little distracted, worked on another RC yesterday. I did put one of the shocks together already to get a feel for it, but I still have 9 more to go, so we need to get them done. Okay, first things first, just a little squeeze of grease on the outside of this. Screw it together on the body, bottom it out, the shock shaft. Okay, a spring and some 70 weight shock oil. Here's where it all comes shooting out at me. And screw on the top. Should get some oil out the top. See, I didn't get any oil out, so I'll want to add a little bit. It was almost there. Okay, yeah, and I got a little bit of oil out of the top. So now, let me turn you around. I'm gonna take and compress this to force out any air. Of course, it's gonna force some oil out too. Okay, it's bottomed out. So with it fully compressed, I want to put the screw in. Make sure it's tight and relax it. That wooden bar just hit my big toe. That hurt so bad. Anyway, that shock is fully built. It feels about like the other one. I'm going to build the other 8 to go, and then we'll put them on the rig. Well, alright, that wasn't that bad. 10 shocks all built. Next step is bolting them onto the frame. Let's get to it. Okay, it's time for us to figure out how to mount these shocks. We're gonna figure it out together. So, looks like on the drawing I need a couple of bearings in each shock tower. So we'll put those in. That's a tight fit. That was a cross brace, and that's going to go through oh, okay. Bearings do not go in first. Oh, forgot to put the shock on. Come back off again. Shock absorber. Somehow line up that shock. Get that threaded in. So, way too much. Okay, that's nice and tight. Okay, now I need to flip this over so we can attach the screws from the bottom. So I'll do that and get you guys in a position where you can see it better. Okay, so it was actually easier to just take it off the stand. So we'll slide this pin through the shock absorber. grab a minuscule grub screw, put a little Loctite on. I'm going to grab a flashlight here so I can see better. Hopefully I don't blind you guys. Okay. Okay, so there we go. One shock absorber. I'm going to do the other 9 off camera, and I'll show you pictures when it's done. Okay, that's it for shocks. Next up, the frame comes off the bench, and we do a little work on drivetrain, but that's going to be in another episode. Anyway, thanks for watching so far. Go back and watch all the other videos if you want to. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.